We'll come back in the evening hours and show you what the light looks like cleaning the grill. Any lot barbecue brush, 4,000 milliamp, 7.4 volt battery, 1500 RPM with 3 speeds, 2 to 3 hours of quick charge, and 1 to 2 hours of runtime depending on the speed you use. With an on and off switch located on the handle and the USB-C charging port, this is a soft brush put in. It's easy to change out by pulling the switch over here and grabbing the brush and moving out. It has a LED light. It turns on separately from the barbecue brush. Simply place back in, square knob, lock into place. Over here, we're going to turn on the unit, and we're going to turn on a long press, child safety, low, medium, high, and back to low. It doesn't show the speeds, but it has an LED light in the front by pressing for low light. It has a splash-proof metal roller, oil splash-proof, and more. Turn the unit off. You can simply hit the off switch. It shuts the whole unit off. Turning it back on, the unit's at default of off. That is your child safety switches. You get an instruction guide so you can go over and all about the details of the unit and specifications. You get a nice carrying bag. Put everything in. You get a pair of gloves, universal size. You get a Scotch-Brite pad. You get a spare brittle brush. Please be careful when grabbing. You get a USB-C charging cable, no charging port. Please plug into your charging area. Open up the silicone door with the switch in the off position. The unit will be charging. There will be no LED lights when in the off position. The Anti-Lot doesn't have a strap or a hook. It basically is held in by hand, easy to grip, all plastic with an LED light for nighttime. With your barbecue, you can simply place on. With the roller at the very leading edge, you're able to clean the barbecue by simply rolling back and forth. With the soft brush dipped in oil, you're able to run slow and grease your barbecue grill. For cleaning and pre-cleaning, simply turn on your barbecue and the barbecue brush and clean. This is a demonstration of the brush showing you. Turning on, pressing a button on low and cleaning. To the next speed, high. And to the highest speed, number 3. We'll come back when barbecuing and showing you how the unit works. This unit is not waterproof, it's IP rated. The brittle brush, the sponge, and the Scotch-Brite are dishwasher safe. The barbecue brush has a number of hours of non-stop use, and we have a light that could simply be turned on and shine and wherever you are cleaning your barbecue. And that is the barbecue brush, as you can see, the light and all. I hope you enjoy the barbecue brush for your barbecue needs. It has 3 speeds, and it's not that noisy. It's pretty quiet indeed, and it is ergonomic grip. Clean off the brush when not in use. Enjoy your product, if this is right for you.